Hey you guys, welcome to Tigrinya Tuesday. I'm Semret.
And I'm Robil.
And this is Delina.
It's little Delu.
It's the little Delu. Are you excited, Delina? Today we're going to be doing cars and transport, and we're so excited to talk about it. Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm pumped.
Are you pumped, Delina? Are you excited? Say, I'm excited. All right, you guys, so if you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. Also, leave us a comment and hit that bell button so you're notified each time we upload a new video so you don't miss our Tigrinya Tuesday.
Don't want to miss it.
Exactly. So, thank you, and let's get into it. All right, you guys, welcome back. We're going to get into the program. So I'm going to say in English and then also Tigrinya, you're going to repeat after me. Are you ready?
Haray.
Do you see this? Car, makina.
Mekina.
Makina.
Mekina.
Drive, mezuwar.
Mezuar.
Driving license, mezawari fiqat.
Mezawari fiqat.
Engine, motor.
Motor.
License plate, targa.
Targa.
That's easy, right? Like target.
Targa.
Parking, me'ashag.
Ma'ashagi. Ma'ashagi. Ma'ashagi.
To slow down, S mibad.
Kes mibal.
Speed limit, nai fitness igeda.
Nai fitnet igeda.
Yes. Traffic.
Wait, what is it?
Traffic.
Okay.
Traffic.
Okay, what is it?
Oil, zaiti.
Zaiti.
Tire, goma.
Goma.
Water.
I know. Mai.
All right, guys. Now we're gonna do some phrases. Are you ready?
I'm ready. Owa. Haray.
Can you check the oil, please? Bejahumdo zaiti ra'ayule.
Bejahumdo zaiti ra'ayule.
Can you check my tire, please? Bejahumdo goma ra'ayule.
Bejahumdo goma ra'ayule.
Yes. Can you check the water, please? Bejahumdo mai ra'ayule.
Bejahumdo mai ra'ayule.
Yes.
Is that good?
Ra'ayule.
Ra'ayule. Ra'ayule.
Yeah.
Ra'ayule.
Okay, is there a freeway nearby? Abzi qareba tsirge allodo.
Abzi kereba bi zirgia alado. Alado.
Allodo.
Alodo.
Yes.
Abzi kereba zigera alodo.
Tsirgia. It's hard to say tse because it's a Z.
All right. Abzi kereb abi zirgia alodo. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay.
Is there a parking lot near here? Abzi qareba nai mekina park allodo.
Abzi kereb nai mek hayin park alodo. Abzi kereb nai mek hayin park alodo.
I need a mechanic. Mechanico yedlini allo.
Mechanico yedlini allo. Mechanico yedlini allo.
Yes. My car has broken down. Mekina tesabira.
Mekina tesabira.
I need a gas. Benzina medeloho nere.
Benzina merelohu nere.
Yes. All right, you guys. So next we're gonna test Robert to see correction.
Thank you.
To see if he remembers the phrase. You ready?
Okay.
Car.
Car mekina.
Drive.
Mezuar. Mezuar.
Mezuar. Yes.
Mezuar.
Driving license.
Mezuari fukad. Driving license. Thank you.
Engine.
Yeah, anile.
So
Engine. Engine.
Yes.
Motor.
Yes.
Motor.
Motor. License plate.
Okay. Oh, you're testing me. Targa. Easy.
To slow down.
Slow down. Kes mibal.
Speed limit.
It is. Speed limit.
Yes.
Nai fitnet igada. Nai fitnet igada.
Good job.
How's my pronunciation?
Perfect. Better than mine.
Nai fitnet igada.
Yes.
I could probably teach you, huh?
Yep. Traffic.
Just listen to how I speak. Traffic? Traffic?
Traffic. No.
Traffic. All right.
Oil.
Oil zeti. Or zeti.
Ziti. Water.
Mai.
Oh yeah, that's an easy one. Good job. Tire.
Tire goma.
Okay, good job. So we're gonna do phrases next.
All right.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Can you check the oil, please?
Beja hundo. Zeti ra ayule.
Good job. That was perfect. Can you check the tire, please?
Beja hundo. Goma ra ayule.
Yes.
Ra ayule.
Yes. Can you check the water, please?
Beja hundo. Mai ra ayule.
Bravo, Delina.
My name is not Delina. Robil. Robil.
Is there a freeway near here?
Is there a freeway near here?
Yes.
Abzi Keraba Abi Zergea Alodo.
Is there a parking lot near here?
Abzi Keraba Nai Mekain Park Alodo.
Perfect.
Delu!
Bravo, Delu.
Delu! Yay!
Daddy.
Bravo!
I need a mechanic.
I need a mechanic. Mechanical Yedlieni Alo.
Perfect. Good job. My car has broken down.
My car has broken down. Mekina Tesabira.
Yes. I need gas.
I need gas.
Yes.
I need gas. Benzina Mereloku Nerai.
Yay.
All right.
Benzina metelogenere. Bravo. Yay. Delu.
Greta Mechanical Yedlieni Alo.
سلامتك حقك
Salam
ثابت
Mekina Tesabira.
اوه طحينة اوكي هراي انتك حقك
Bejahi undo Zeti Ra Ayule.
هراي
Bejahi undo Mai Ra Ayule.
هراي
Bejahi undo
اها
Goma Ra Ayule.
هراي
Ya Anyele.
ገንዘብك بتصادح اوكي
Oh, Salam Shukarina
ابي
Mekina Habani Bejahi.
واه ماكينة
No? Oh, okay.
روبيل ماكينة هتودي يلا
Intai Quena Mekenai.
هو ماكينة قاعدة أجازتي قبل خلان تحول Alright guys, hope you enjoy this segment. We are all done and hope you learned some fun things about how to fix your car and put some gas in.
Put gas in my car. That was great.
Put gas in your car.
Well, I only have one question.
What?
How did I drive there with no gas in my car?
You got lucky. That's all I have to say. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave us a comment. Any ideas you want us to bring you. and Robel and Delina. So till next time, say bye, Delina.
Ciao.
Ciao, guys.
Bye.
Thank you.